girl Saham back with another video. For today's video, I'm going to be piercing Juwani Ibarwari's nose, aka my sister, and her best friend, Isra. So, I've never really pierced anybody's nose, and for some reason, these bitches really want me to pierce their nose. So, if we go to the hospital tonight, I will keep y'all updated. Alright, so which one of y'all wants to go first?
Oh no, wait, can we talk about the behind story of what happened before we started?
Yeah.
Okay, you explain it.
No, you explain it, Ezra.
Yeah, so she tried to pierce my nose, and it kind of got bad, and it started squirting.
Bro, it was
She tried to pierce it again.
I was trying to, but she wouldn't let me. I thought I could do it. I thought I could continue,
Like,
but she still wouldn't let me.
They said her nose was literally like squirting blood. If it squirts on me, I will literally cry. Because I've never done this, so I don't know how this is gonna go. Alright, so Israel's going first. Alright, let's bring the chair out.
No, I want to send the white one.
Girl, do it matter? Okay. No, because this one will be higher. This gets higher.
Yeah.
Hey, Israel, if you need to hold my hand, you can hold my hand.
Okay, you're her
Okay,
support.
you already know.
Support system.
I got you.
Get on the other side.
Dude, I'm so fucking scared. After what happened with Juwan, dude,
Bro,
I'm scared.
Just know I didn't know how to do it.
Y'all, when you're too cheap to go get your nose professionally done.
For real, bro. That's literally what he is.
Bruh, oh my god, I'm so scared.
Don't be scared, girl. I got you, sis. I'm going off of how this one dude, this professional, did my nose piercing. So I'm gonna just follow his steps. I remember it quite well. And I don't have an antiseptic wipe, but I think alcohol will do just for cleaning this, her previously punctured nose. Anyway, so I'm gonna just like kind of wipe it. Damn.
Fuck up. Oh my god, watch your fuck up.
It's not gonna fuck up. I got you. I swear I got you. Okay, so we're gonna let that dry. You get like a Sharpie or like a
Oh, you know where I went.
semi-permanent marker, and we're gonna try to make her whole. So I remember whenever he like kind of lifted my nostril, you're supposed to either do it like on or below. So
Hold on, let me go look at it.
yeah, look at it first. Do you like it?
Yeah.
I think I took yours.
Did you clean it?
Yeah, I put some alcohol in it.
I'm so scared. Oh my god, I'm about to pass out. Oh my god. I'm scared. I'm getting
Y'all, I'm scared. Y'all, I'm like literally so scared. Okay, so.
See, now you're scared.
Not play. Come on, come on.
If you get scared, just do one. I'm scared.
Okay, come
Come
on.
on, you go first.
Bitch, if you don't get your ass, come on.
Scared. Oh my god, I'm so scared. It hurts because Juwan just fucking did the other one. So like, Juwan, don't record me. Stop, for real.
Alright, y'all. I want to make this video fast and easy. Okay, I think he also put a popsicle stick right here just in case. Okay, so.
Yeah, he did. Mine was like that.
Give me the,
that
the
wasn't
piercing.
Dude, you're so fucking late, Juwan.
Give me the fucking piercing, goddamn.
Wait, where's the
It should be under the plate. Oh my god, this is like, it's
It's
okay.
right here, it's right here.
Is there a straight one, or like just give me the give me the
ring.
just straighten up the ring? Yeah, it's not hurting as bad, is it? Because we're not moving it.
You did it right.
Okay.
Yeah, look, she teared up.
This one's fat as fuck, bitch. Where you get this from?
It came with the kit.
Oh really?
Yeah. And I tried to put it in that hole up. I knew it was supposed to go in that hole, it's just it wouldn't
Can
go.
you straighten it up just a bit more? Yes, ma'am. We did it.
It's bleeding, isn't it?
Yeah, but we'll.
It's supposed to bleed. It's like a little bit.
Okay.
It wasn't as bad as
Here.
Yeah, you're right.
I'm asking you.
No, it wasn't as bad as
Okay.
because I pulled it out. That's why.
Huh?
Why'd y'all give me the stud?
Why didn't we?
Why did y'all?
This is not the stud.
No,
This is the ring.
I know. Why'd y'all give me the ring?
Because the other, I have nails on it. It's kind of like difficult. So.
Oh shit.
Can she replace it with the
Yeah,
stud?
wear it for like a week, and then we'll like
Take
replace
this-
it.
She needs a stud by tomorrow. That's the thing. She just had it from her brother.
Oh, okay.
It's
Well,
okay, we'll get it by tomorrow, right?
Yeah, just like as soon as you take it out, put it right in. But you need a straight stud. Don't get a curved one.
Oh, the curved one over there.
Those are really hard to put on, yeah. Okay. Y'all, the success! Oh.
No, I'm gonna get the other side.
Hey, hey.
Period, poo.
Hey.
We got that shit done.
Y'all, if y'all want your nose done, just come to me. I swear I got y'all.
Hey,
This is my first time doing it. Okay. Bitch, why are you all up in the camera? Anyways,
I see it.
nose piercing. I can do anything, y'all. Like, when I tell, I can do anything.
Jump onto it.
Okay, her turn. I don't want to make the video too long. Come on, get your ass into the kitchen.
Hello guys, welcome back to
Which one
another
was
video.
yours, Juwan? This one?
Yeah, I put her needle here, so that was mine.
Okay.
I started crying so hard.
Yes,
Girl, you
I
got
heard.
them blackheads. When you finna go get your facial?
When do I go get it?
Huh?
When do you want to go get it?
I don't know. It's
Bro, I've been trying to take care of my skin, but it always
Go
messes
get that
up.
facial. You know they're literally finna like extract everything that's any dirt in your face.
Where's
They
it
gonna
at?
pop all of your pimples and like safely. It's in Massage Envy.
Okay, I'm going. You don't want to see me get my nose pierced?
Oh yeah, I gotta see that. It's thick.
Does that look even to you?
Hey, does that look even, Israel?
Yeah, it looks perfect.
All right, y'all. The camera kind of turned off, but we did it and it went through.
Yeah, I did. Let me clean it up.
Damn, that needle is sharp as fuck.
It hit my lip.
I know. I see that. I'm sorry,
Is it
y'all.
bleeding?
I don't know. I can't see.
Not that bad.
Ooh, y'all, it's done. I mean, it's not like I didn't close the ring enough because it hurts, so I'm gonna let her do it. But so I'm gonna end up doing my other little sister's nose off camera just because I want to like not make this video too long. And so I'm just gonna end it right here. I really hope. I thought I was really gonna mess up, y'all. Like, I was scared. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I was really scared. So I just have to remember how the guy did my piercing, and that's how I did yours. But anyways, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment down below for any other videos that y'all want to see, and don't forget to click the subscribe button. And I will catch you guys in the next video.